Sunanda, thank you for joining Festival of FinTech. Of course, your panel was very interesting. Could you tell us a bit about how synthetic data kind of works out in the FinTech landscape? If you could broadly perhaps give your perspectives.
Sure. Thank you, firstly, for inviting me and organizing such a fantastic event. Thanks to Business World for doing this year on year, right? This is the fourth edition, I believe, and this is the first time I'm coming down here. It was a great experience to be here. Thank you for that. I'm Sunanda Pal, and I'm the insurance industry leader for IBM Consulting. So, as far as synthetic data is concerned, synthetic data has been there for many years, right? And particularly, data is something pivotal to the insurance industry, right? Because everything in the insurance industry is driven by data. Be it the pricing, the profitability, the reach out, the claims processing, everything is driven by data, right? And there were traditional ways of looking at the data, looking at data insights more importantly, and coming up with different forms of, say, be it the rating models, how the premiums will be calculated, or looking at the claims, the losses, the patterns, and the trends, right? So it had a mix of both algorithm based traditional data analysis, as well as a lot of manual work that was involved, right? Data in itself, generating pure unbiased data, is very costly, and that's where synthetic data is changing the entire landscape, because synthetic data uses artificially annotated computer generated data, which mimics the data of the real world, right? Mimics the overall algorithm or the statistical spread of the data from the real world. And what it does is it helps in expanding the data that we get, right, from the real data, expanding the appropriate unbiased data, right? And so it is obviously less costly. It can be made more accurate by using the different generative AI models, and that's exactly where the insurers are utilizing the synthetic data on different areas of the insurance value chain. Be it starting from the customer servicing, the marketing space, or going on to the claims processing space. And I believe we are at very exciting times, and not just globally, worldwide, but definitely for India. The Indian insurtech and the fintech market is booming, and I would love to see the insurance penetration in India grow from that mere 44% to somewhere definitely around 40-50% in the next few years. Thanking all of you on that note.
Thank you, Sunanda. Thank you for those candid insights. Thank you.